So, I'll be scanning the most active top gainers, top losers for last Friday session, and then we'll make a watch list. Pwede natin tutukan for next week's trading. Daming magandang nag-move nung Friday. I remember Chelsea, AXLM, and then I think IDC is prepping. And then na-hold yung 1.9, so we'll see if we have a potential play for next week. So just let's check index. Index still sideways yung move from last Thursday session. It held on the support nung Thursday's low. So maganda ma-hold yung 5,850 the coming days para at least wag masayang yung move dito. Yung breakout from 5,800 para at least we can see na yung mga strong stocks natin wag mag-sell down. Sayang yung mga moves nun eh. So let's see. Para at least we'll have a good months left for trading sa 2020. Most actives, I'll just quickly check this SM investments. Let's see. Wow, so down 3% close. Let's see, intraday ano lang, markdown on close. Yikes, yun lang pala eh. So okay lang to. Foreign selling ata to no Friday. Ay, foreign buy. Not much. Basta sideways yung market, we stay away from index stocks. But merong mga index stocks right now that stock siguro, index stock that is on momentum due to good foreign buying. Tingnan natin ulit S&P. Ako stay away from properties muna. Laki ng effect nung COVID sa kanya, even though Ali was a play last week. Minsan na naman yun eh. It was sold down for consecutive days by foreigns. So it was a subject for a bounce play. So yun, we participate on it since malaki yung reward nun. But this S&P pass muna. MEG same. Let's check the MC. Same. I wouldn't touch this muna. Baba mga property stocks. It's MEG. Parang okay yung galaw since CGI is moving quite good. But ako stay away muna with property stocks which are included sa index. But I'm looking at a property stock right now, IDC. Check natin mamaya yung chart. It's interesting. GFC. Ano lang, sold down pa rin. Big volume yung sell down. So, yun nga, as discussed nung update last Friday, which I uploaded. Yun nga, I was checking on Max, but I am skeptical because yun nga, GFC's movement is medyo pangit eh. Pangit yung sentiment with food except CNPF. Good move CNPF. I think ano to net foreign ba yata? Yun. Foreigners are hindi stock parang undervalued. Ganda nung earnings eh. So let's check top gainers call. Lakas ng move 9.8%. But I think CTCAP lang ata bumibili nito na aggressive eh, which is the proprietary trading firm ni Cole, parang affiliate eh. Yun nga, CTCAP sold, strong buyer, no selling. May story to eh. I think naka ano pa to eh, meron pang hanging na change in par. change in par value pero wala pang update eh. So, yun natin kailan ata final yun. Nahihina talaga ng internet. Paul Financial. See, change in par. Type nga natin. Change in par. Par na lang. Yun. June 3. June 3. Open natin. Sandali. Open na natin mabilisan. Para at least can see something. Change in par. Yun nga. Change in par value, February 7, approve, June 3. Tingnan natin yung movement. June 3, disclose June 3. July, June 3. June 3. Yeah, start of the run-up was here, June. So, from the time na na-disclose nila, it's up already 60, or more or less 60%. Wow. Galing ah. Kailangan pa kasi ng regulatory approval to eh. Yan natin. Wala pang update. Yan o, TBA pa. Maybe after the update pagkatang ano to, stock trade. Let's check other winners. Perk. Nakatingin ako sa perk kaso liquid pa. Ito interesting. TKC still. Medyo nagkatusukan nung September 16 but volume is maintained eh. So, yung mga buyers din, medyo interesting. Let's check the buyers lately. Alam ko, Wealth and Optimum, medyo aggressive yung buying dito eh. Let's see. Yun yung mga players ng thugs before breaking out sa piso eh. Yun nga, Westlink, pati Westlink. Medyo konti lang, pero considerable yan. Di pa nila tinutulak talaga yung stock. Maybe they see something on this. Natin, downtrend line. Ayan. Let's see if it will hold the levels and then break out eventually from 80 cents. Mga penny stocks yan. Mabilis gumalaw. Low liquidity. Pero pag tinira, mabilis. So, let's keep an eye on that. Pero hindi ako masyado optimistic. Ito, Chelsea. Chelsea will be a good candidate for what do you call this? Candidate to trade for next week if ever di ka pa nakapasok. Let's, parang I know it broke short-term trend line, downtrend line yun. And yung na-notice ko kasi nung Friday, although Chelsea was up 6.27%, si Dito was just up 1.9%. So merong decouple, parang mas malakas yung galaw ni Chelsea compare sa Dito, which alam naman natin, Dito CME Holdings is still not a direct owner of shares sa Dito Telecommunity. Si Chelsea yung for now is a direct owner. I think 30 to 40% ata. 30 to 40% ata. Search natin. Chelsea Logistics Ownership Dito Telecom. You then okay, 25%. So parang interesting yung move ng Chelsea. Downtrend line breakout and then decouple. So magandang tingnan to. And then parang breakout ng range niya eh, 3.7 kasi parang the move here nung June tama, nung June was just parang overshoot yung labas, and then ito yung big sideways, then merong convincing breakout. So let's see if ever masustain next week, and then pag may mga interesting move, it can challenge 4.2. Pwede pasok ka din, cut below 3.5. AXLM also same. I think yun, downtrend line breakout. If ever it will break 2.6, pwede siyang strong play. Since it's the first time na magkakaroon siya ng strong momentum and recovering from the downtrend line since its IPO. You know, daming confluence eh. So, maganda yan. Meron ako nito. So, tingnan natin if ever we can add baba 80. Same with PX, even though gold is moving sideways for now. And then I think nung Friday it was just pulata eh. Yun, sideways lang, but 80 is aggressively bought. Siguro we'll try to get, kung if ever we'll watch PX, we'll have an idea if ever malakas yung move ni 80 pa. Yun, medyo sa tingin ko lang sana gumawa ng base muna si PX. Masyadong bulilit candles na to eh, more on may hirapan na mag-break. Tingnan natin 4.5, sana gumawa ng base like what happened to nickel, you know, sobrang extended yung move, bumangga sa resistance, and then yun parang gagawa ng base dito for a possible stronger move eventually in the coming weeks or months. Depende na lang kung merong additional catalyst. So yun, even though 80 has a strong move, medyo iwas-iwas muna. For me lang, parang masyadong extended yung move. If ever di ka nakapasok dito at 2.8, parang hindi na masyado attractive yung reward. Then baka mabilis ka lang ma-whip niyan, no? Tingnan mo yung liquid spread, medyo manipis if ever. Baba. All HC lakas. Wow. Resistance area. Tingnan natin if ever it will sustain, but I think parang early ata niyan, diverging na eh. 3 heads up na, so medyo caution na pag pumasok, pag if ever bagong pasok mo pa lang. As you can see here, usually mga ganyan diverging na yun, so it's a sign medyo kailangan mo na mag-reset na konti if ever it will push higher. Baka pwede dito like what happened to Tugs. Ito 3 moves, diba? 3 heads and then divergence. Yan. So let's check what happened to Tugs. So early or dito, pwede natin i-check dito. LHC Tugs early para ma-check natin, ma-compare. Yun, so from base breakout here, lagyan natin RS para diverging. Yan, so usually pag mga ganyan kailangan mag-take ng breather. So yan, so lagyan natin RSI para makakita if divergence talaga. So yun, here diverging, making higher highs, but RSI is making lower highs. Same here, price is making higher highs pero yung RSI is making lower highs. So caution na yan if ever kakapasok mo lang, baka matamaan ka ng profit taking dyan and then it will reset. Baba Tugs, all HC, the rest puro pa mga ano yan eh. Let's check top losers, MRC. Yikes, ito talaga sayang din to. Wala masyadong positive reaction yung ASM nung Friday, so baka reset muna sideways, tipo ng lakas for a new catalyst. But if ever there's a new catalyst, mas stronger yung move. Sayang, max, yun nga. So, nung last review natin, I said that I was skeptical with max even though maganda yung move niya. Yun kasi JFC is down eh. So, pag sectoral yung mga moves, dapat sabay-sabay yan. Pizza. Medyo nag-green yung pizza pero medyo mahina eh. Quick move. So, medyo pag mga ganyan, if ever, kung pwede iwasan, iniiwasan ko yan. Baka sayang oras natin yan, baka stress lang yan eh. Pag stress lang pag medyo mahina yung move. Kaya monitor ka pa, titingnan mo. Adjust ka nga ng stocks. Parang pwede, if ever pwede allocate muna sa ibang stocks. So yun. Check nga pala kung ano yung mga net foreign buy no Friday or the last 3 days. Kasi interestingly, yung AGI is moving strong. More or less yung galaw niya kasi was like of DNL after breaking out nung prior box na ginawa niya. Pero yung DNL was sold down. Pero AGI hindi. Even though iba yung sector nila, ito yung magandang gawa nung mga theories eh. Since lagyan natin DNL. Even though yung isa index, isa hindi. Pero yung chart movement was more or less the same before it broke out. Yung maganda dito is that why AGI moved strongly no Friday since malakas yung net foreign buying for the past how many days. Yun. Since nung breakout niya from its base here, lakas nung net foreign buying. Dito sa DNL naman, check natin yung net foreign buying. Yun, outflow. So basically parang you get a glimpse of if ever you'll make a watch list for stocks with momentum and then parang nahihirapan ka pumili, pwede i-factor in if net foreign buy ba yung stock or net foreign sell. So if ever kung ako, if ever nakita ko na to, I'll consider AGI as candidate for me to put my allocation in compared with something like kay DNL since naging malakas yung foreign selling even though dito may malakas na net foreign buy on the breakout. It's more on sustainability din eh, of the run. Sino yung magtutulak? Kailangan naman retails na magtutulak, di naman to basura. Ayun. Then AGI. So yun, as long as it holds 7 pesos, maganda to. It still has momentum. And then, ngayon parang I think, if ever you'll see, you check other stocks sa index, yung mga conglomerates, yung medyo maganda yung moves. LTG is maintaining its move. You know, I think it's Birch. Parang magbe-breakout pa na 9 pesos ulit eh. And GTCAP. Ganda ng GTCAP. If ever, it will break out 412. You know. And so, check natin yung movement ng GTCAP and then AGI. Both are conglomerates. Parang nauna lang yung parang nauna lang yung move ng AGI. Same movement, June 4 until June 9. Yung dito, June 4, June 9 din. So, more or less same. So, if ever, pwede natin i-translate yung movement ni AGI sa magiging possible movement ni GTCAP. Since, tingnan natin, net foreign buy ba? Net foreign buy din siya eh. Noong Friday, puro net foreign sell yan. Net foreign sell for the past 2 months. More or less 2 months. And then, all of the sudden, may net foreign buying. So, tingnan natin LTG. Parang nauna nag-move yung LTG. Yun. Same ba? June 8, June 9. June na. We can GTCAP August 10. So, yun. Pinilagay sa priority watchlist natin if ever. GTCAP. Ito ko ganito gawin. Gawa ng base, then breakout. Retest 440. Tapos, breakdown. Check natin intraday if ever may trend to. Medyo wala pa. So, lagay na natin sa watchlist natin yung GTCAP. Yun, AGI, GTCAP. Yun, ano pa ba? AXLM. Let's see other stocks. Prayo ko pa rin yung IDC for Monday. Basta mo hold yung 1.90 area. Medyo may nakikita ko na play. Parang tags nung before mag-breakout ng piso. Which, if ever will translate to IDC, although property stock siya, basura naman to na hindi naman basura, low market cap na basura. So, if ever, maganda yung maging upside if malakas yung play dito. Even though yung galaw niya was IDC similar with SSI last time. Bilang natin dito, SSI, IDC. Similar natin yung, more or less parang same yung movement. Peak April 23. Peak more or less same week. Yan. Dito. Peak was also same. August 8 next peak. And then so if ever ma-hold to 1.9, we might see it challenge yung upper levels and then eventually break out. So check natin yung tags movement nung early nung August. Alisin ko muna mga MAs para ma-appreciate natin yung more on price movement. So yun, let's check peak April 20, more or less same. Peak dito June 10, June 8, yun same. So lagyan natin din ang box para we'll get a idea. July 15, yeah, so magkaiba, pero if we'll try to check here, more or less same yung naging movements nila, although hovering ito above. I think overshoot, parang kung akong for my opinion, and then parang overshoot kasi itong levels na to. Yan, overshoot here. So yung labas niyan is ito yung parang range na talaga 2.2. So more or less same. If we can have a base stock na pwede natin maging basis on the movement ni IDC, eventually we can use tags as a reference. Yan. So 1.16, check natin, possible na target price if ever. Wow, layo pointing natin sa yung 200 mA nito. Layo So, if ever lagay natin 1.16, so, pwede pala 2.9. So, laking laking, that's 40% from our current price. If ever we'll enter 2.05, 2.1, alas 40% if ever yung pag naging same yung move with tags. And if we compare yung movement din ni IDC to IRC, more or less pwede maging basis din. Check natin if ever yung move was still, I think 200% ata to 16. So, medyo iba, more or less kay tags siya na comparison. So yun, IDC is also on our priority stock to trade on next week. So Chelsea IDC. And then let's check yung MWC na watchlist natin nung Friday review. So yun, parang nag-breakout, may subtle breakout lang and then nag-fade. So let's see if bumawi sa month bukas. It broke out 14.5 in a moment pero bumalik in. Parang I think nung Friday parang sold down and close ata. Sold down and close pero for sure babawi yan. MWC also will consider for next week. And MWIDE EEI, MWIDE, yun, ranging pa rin pero nasa watchlist ko pa rin to. Fresh move yan if ever it will break out 7.6 area. Yan tayo papasok sa mga fresh move para less stress yung mga trades. Ganda nung range. Parang kasi siya same or more or less same move with the EEI move, which is yung top buyer nito. MWIDE is Pep, lately Pep, and also yung tagatulak ni EEI. Compare natin yung charts niya. Yan. So, parang if ever, pick June 8. Ito, June 8 din. Nauna lang to. So, yung face dito ni MWIDE, yung kay EEI, is dito yun, tong box na to. So, if ever it will break out, 7.6 yung MWIDE, for sure, magiging malakas yung move. Yan. So, nasa priority list ko yung MWIDE. Same buyer, Pep. Yung EEI was pushed also by Pep. So, magandang reference for smart money. MM, let's check MM. Ayan, so let's check MM. Yun, nasa priority ko rin to. Priority watch list natin, MM. Dito, mga quick back if ever. Lakas din dito. And then, EEI for quick back on Monday. Tomorrow. Merong pwedeng entry dito 6.7. Yan. 6.7. Delete muna natin itong mga lines na to since tapos na yung range dyan. 7.7. Then pwede mo grind lang yan and then quick profit if ever it will break out 7 on Monday. Medyo maliit yung range dito so possible magandang entry yan 6.7 or bili ka na then cut mo lang ang below 6.4. Then sell on the divergence move since yung RSI kasi dito mas mataas. So if ever gagawa siya ng another impulse move up for a diverging move. So medyo lower yung maging RSI niyan. Everybody's looking at the RSI pag ganitong move So pwede mo sell sa peak yan, tapos magre-retrace, tapos dapat pag dun sa peak move nun, benta mo na yun since momentum move lang yun. Yung parang tags. Parang ginawa natin last time sa tranche entry ito. Pasok ka dito on this move, benta mo on the momentum. Try natin tingnan dito. Oops. EI. Yan. So, mayayari niyan, pasok ka dito on this if ever what's your system, and then dito sa kabila EI, pasok ka dito, then benta mo sa surge, benta mo sa off move from 7 until here. So basically mga 7 pesos, 7.10. So that's quick, possible 7% or tags is 10% So, pwede yan. Pwede for a quick move lang. Or, pasok ka dito ng konti. tingnan mo yung liquidity on Monday, yung spread, if ever may mga nakapost dito na makapal for near the support, for sure yan yung magiging metrics mo if ever mag-breakdown dyan ang magiging cut loss mo. Pwede yan, parang IRC din. Check natin yung naging move ni IRC after base breakout. So ito yun ito yung move na yun. Ito. Yan. Pasok on the breakout or bili ka dito sa baba. Nakabili ka, pasok ka sa breakout, benta ka sa surge for a quick pack. Ilang percent to? Almost 10 to 13%. So kahit nakakuha ka ng 10% dyan, not bad na din, di ba? So yun yung mga magiging stocks to watch natin. Siguro APL, I will not discuss it since medyo same lang din yung move. Sideways na konti no Friday. Ayan, nakaabang pa rin tayo dyan for a possible strong breakout on the 0.06 levels. IMI, check na natin. Ano pa rin? Sideways. PNB, sideways pa din, but medyo akaabang tayo dyan for possible strong move. So, siguro next, ACEN, still ACEN. Looking at 3.2 area. Breakout. So, after, pwede na make or break 3.3. Tapos kung pwede by trend follow to. 80H so ganun lang yung gameplay. Hold and see. Basta hold yung 3 pesos. Baba now. Still looking at it. As long as it will close above 2.5, maganda to. It holds, it's 2.3 pa rin, naka-hold pa rin 2.3, so okay to. May tweet kanina about dun sa parang for telco daw something. Clear naman na press release yun na September pa. Medyo iba yung motibo, pero ngayon na sobrang dinilit na. Nagka-hypan lang. And then ano pa ba? BCOR. BCOR. Ngayon nga, resistance area na itong 3.5 area. Pero if ever it will break out 3.5, pwede quick back. Next resistance 4 area, 3.9 to 4 area. So, pwede mabilisan lang. Chupit mo lang. If ever. Para at least hindi naman ko tingnan mo mga NI. Medyo breakdown na sayang. And ano pa ba? So yan, watchlist for next week for blue chips, big caps, GTCAP value trade, GTCAP AGI, more or less. If ever wala ka nito, medyo low risk na din pero it's with momentum, so kaabang-abang siya. LTG, siguro pass muna ako dito para meron akong planong paglagyan ng allocations ko. Yun, IDC, priority watchlist for this week's trading. Chelsea, dito, yun, MWC, still 3 points, as long as we'll close 3.10 or mag-break yung 3.5 in the early session, maganda to. Now, yun, ACEN, MWIDE, yun, fresh breakout, anticipating a fresh breakout here at 7.6. EEI, quick back trade, same as BCOR. And AXLM, yan, AXLM, fresh breakout, sana will break out for a new trend. Next resistance possible 3 pesos na 3.20. So I think that's it, guys. Hopefully next week we'll have this coming week pala, trading week will have will have good trades, good place to participate in. Ciao.